Well, when you were young, you were handsome.
I was a mean kid.
Look at us at the prom.
Yeah, when I took Lynette to the prom, she dumped somebody else. She was going to the prom with someone else, and I said, well, you need to go with me, and she dumped them.
I never went out.
Look, my face is a perfect square.
Oh, that's
Why is
Ariella?
my face such a square?
This is Dad's.
This is from Australia.
Wow. See, Dad's city and his song.
I did solo tours, and then we fired the bass player on one of our tours right before we played Mei.
Wow.
We don't have anything like this.
Yeah. Wow.
This is a.
Oh,
this is nice.
where did you find that?
Oh, did Castle bring back some memories?
How do you call this? Birthday?
A birthday shirt? It's pandemic.
It was actually.
So for your birthday, where are we going right now?
We're gonna go play mini golf in Independence, Missouri.
I told her that's small.
Do you like your coffee?
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
Fun day.
Right now, we are going to
Mini golf.
mini golf.
You got this.
Got me first for your legs. I like your shoes.
Where's Ellie? His pants are falling down. That's creepy.
小丑.
Yeah, we can go over there. The first shot.
All right, Jay.
Come on. Thumbs up.
Whoa, that was close.
Wow. What is used for?
To buy these prizes.
Oh, that's a lot. So like that, 1,000 ticket, 155. How many you have?
Are you excited, Mom?
Yes. So good. The bean one looks funny.
Oh, yeah.
You got that, Mom? Try the cheap other chicken. I don't know.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The chicken's so tender.
Isn't it soft? Yeah.
Oh man, we like it when Jay comes to town.
That's right.
You see, the chopsticks very quick to grab it.
Oh, yeah.
And don't stick it, you know.
Yeah.
So like the last time we used that, it's very slow. Okay, cook dinner for family. Yes.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.
Oh, they have ping pong here. You know how to play this? Ping, no, ping pong.
Oh yeah,
Let's play a little bit.
it's been a long time. You good?
Look what?
It's your dream car.
Yeah, I want to get a truck. Yeah, that's my dream.
You want
In
to
the
get
future.
a four-wheeler too?
Country girl. Alright, what do you want? Pizza?
Yeah.
看一看这个美国菜，美国的食物汉堡。
Woo, brisket.
You got the same. Oh, you put sauce on his. Did you want sauce?
Yeah, I put the sauce there.
You got sauce?
Sorry, baby. Voucher.
Brisket with hot sauce.
阿瑞今天帮我，
What is the meat?
阿瑞帮我剪头发。
So bad. I'm sorry.
So Ari, what did you got?
My own baby pizza, just
That's
for
a
me.
small pizza. That looks good. Ari 买了一个米其林碗。
Peanut butter hot fudge.
Very popular in Ireland, but it was written by an American after he fell in love with a girl in Ireland.
Is anyone out there, are you able to say na 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 na?
No.
Na 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 na. Okay, it's basically like that, but just a little bit more musical. You'll hear it when it comes up, and we'll need you to give some of that back to us.
Juju 猪猪在睡觉。
猪猪过来。
Right here. Hi, Ari. How's it going?
Oh, I'm worried about these swings.
I know it's dead.
It's
We are totally.
Because we ate all the ice cream.
Got a spider
We
web.
picked up a spider web.
spider.
Catch a spider web.
It looks abandoned.
What?
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe.
请帮我们点赞、转发、评论，谢谢，再见，
再见，
拜
拜拜。
拜。